Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can easily export a video in Doodly. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just simply go to top right to export and click on it. Right there when you're going to do it, you need to choose a destination. So I'm going to click on it, and let's say I'm going to choose desktop. Then you're going to see resolution here, and you can simply choose between 480, 720, 1080. So let's choose this one. And so we got a destination. Then you're gonna have a file format here: MP4, MKV, OGG, or WebM. MP4 is one of the best ones that you can choose for exporting. The resolution is pretty simple. I recommend going with the highest one, but if you're gonna have and use it for Facebook, Instagram, you can use it. But you need to understand that the width and height is going to get changed if you choose the Facebook and Instagram. You can also choose 180. This is like the HD one. And then you're gonna see like custom here, and you can change the width and height by yourself. So 180. On the right side, we're gonna see quality and FPS. So FPS, it depends, and I recommend like exporting also on 30, on 60, on 48, 50, completely up to you. So let's say I'm going to have like with a 60, and then we have a quality of low, medium, high, maximum. I will go with the maximum. And now what I will do is to press continue, but also to summarize again the whole export part. So first you're gonna see the destination and you need to change it. Then you're gonna see the file format here, the MP4, MKV, OGG, resolution 1080, how much FPS you want, what kind of quality you want. But keep in mind that when you're gonna change the resolution, the width and height is going to get changed too. So press continue. And now I'm going to render the video. It's going to take a little bit of time. So I think I know what I'm going to do. I'll just cancel it and I'll just export it with a low so we can see the result. And let's wait for a while. So if you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'll be really happy to help you. My recommendation is go just with high quality. This is just for the tutorial that I make, then I create a low quality video. And yeah, let's load it up. Okay, show export file. Oh, it's going to be right here. And we got it. So this is pretty much it, how you do it. If you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.